Hello everybody, for those of you that want to know how to diagnose your bat wings, as you can see these are off because we're pulling the engine out, so I had to remove them. There's a couple other things that's wrong with the vehicle, and the customer purchased this vehicle with the bat wings fully open and disconnected to pretty much mimic open bypass. The bat wing motor is located right in this bracketry that's been removed. Motor has a problem. So I'm going to show you a quick test with a multimeter how you can determine without pulling your motor out or applying power if it's bad or getting ready to go bad. You will need a good quality multimeter. So either one of these would work. If you have another one, it'll probably be just fine as well. It's just something with an accurate ohms reading. So here we go at the wires. I already put the extensions on the connector, and I'll show you what extenders I use. So we're getting ready to connect to this here. Okay, so I got everything connected and we're right at 3 ohms. This is where you want to be. You want to be around 3 to 4 ohms on your reading. The beep is just indicating that there's continuity. I just wanted to get rid of it because it's annoying. So now we're going to go back to the bad motor and show you what it reads. Alright, so we're connected to our bad motor. Here's the amp reading. It's going all over the place. So we're connected here, and the outside pin positive, the negative is going to be the brown wire. You can actually go right to the source and connect here as well, but I just wanted to show you if this is done on the vehicle. So as you can see, it's hunting. It does not know what to do, where to go, and what's going on here. So the resistance is extremely high. There's no way this motor is going to function. This motor is completely burned out. And there's a cap that goes over it, which is right here with tape. And what happens is with these, they get water in there. They're pretty poor design. They should have put a rubberized sleeve to prevent that from happening. So yeah, that's the issue. Very simple test. Here we go, it finally stabilized at 14 ohms. But yeah, anything above 3-4 ohms is pretty much usually the motor. Normally I don't make these videos, but I don't have a lot of time because I have work for a living and I don't have time to do any DIY videos. Plus I don't want to get into any kind of issues where I show somebody how to do something, they blow something up, destroy their car, and then sue me or something dumb like that, which is a problem these days in this world. So that is how you test these bat motors for the bat wings. And that's about it. They're pretty expensive, of course. If you order them, anything for Lamborghini is expensive. I'll make a video explaining how expensive the parts are on these cars and why mechanics charge what they charge to work on them, because there's a lot of liability involved. Anyways, hope this video helped somebody, and we'll see you next time.